Hello, so it is day 22 on the CDT, and this is a live action video. It's about 6:15, and we're still hiking for the day. We're trying to make it to, meaning myself and a couple of others are trying to make it to Grants afternoon. So glad quite a number of miles to get there. We've been road walking most of the day. We did have a little bit of trail, and I'm actually currently on kind of a makeshift trail. But we're about to get on some, I think, asphalt going into Grant, so it could be quite a bit of a long road walk tomorrow. I have to watch where I step since this is a makeshift trail. There's a lot of potholes, and I think cattle have walked across it, so a lot of divots. And the camera work is probably not the best. If you get seasick, you're probably just going to want to listen to this one instead of watch it. Let's see. So I think, we just got our water source, got our water. Next water source isn't for 20 miles, something like that. But by that point, hopefully we'll be close enough to town. I don't have to worry about carrying more water. Carrying water down. And leaving the water source, we're trying to get about 5 more miles, I think, in before camping. So that'll put us at right around like 7:45, getting into camp. And before the water source, I think we'd already done somewhere between 21 and 23 miles. I have to look at the mileage. But this is the life on the trail where you're trying to figure things out. Grants is where the trail ends because it was closed when the Forest Service decided to close the 3 national forests. I know the day before that I hiked out of Pytown, there were 16 hikers that went out, and there were probably, similar amounts like on the trail to Grants when the Forest Service closed the national forests. So for all I know, we could get to Grants and run into 50 other hikers who are trying to figure out their plans of whether they're doing a road walk or some other solution. This evening's also interesting because the wind is really picked up. Like, you can tell that in the video above my head it's cloudy and the sun is obscured by clouds. The fact that last water source was run by a solar well, having the sun behind clouds was a slow process to get water. So so. But I don't really know what tonight's going to be. It could be a late night with getting up early and trying to get into town and sitting for a couple days while we talk to other hikers and their ideas and try to figure out what the options are. I really need a 0 day. I haven't had one in this is the 11th straight day of hiking for me, and half of those, I believe, near half, 20-mile days, 20-plus mile days. Like today is going to be 27 or 28, which would be the longest day for me so far. So essentially, I need a 0. Struggle to town at 8 or 9 o'clock tomorrow. If we can get there by late afternoon, take a shower and wash some clothes and have a 0 day. So that's what's going on right now. Sorry, I haven't looked at the camera much, but nothing's changed as far as I know. The Forest Service still has the name closed. be honest, I kind of hope we do, because if we get a couple of solid days, like 2 or 3 solid days of rain, and I'm sitting in Grand Zone zeros, and the Forest Service kind of reconsiders, then that would be wonderful. I doubt that's going to happen, but wishful thinking, right? Any if the wind wasn't too bad, I hope you can actually hear this. If not, I'll probably have to re-record, just give you a summary, but I hope everyone's well, and I think today's shout out is to probably the hikers, all the hikers on the trail that are trying to figure out what their next move is going to be. That's the big question that everyone asks whenever you see another hiker of, what are you going to do when you get to Grants? So right now, it seems like a lot of hikers are racing to Grants to sit. Thankfully, Grants is a larger city, so they can probably hold the influx with hotel rooms and such. So I don't think there should be a problem there, but a lot of hikers are trying to figure out what they're going to do, especially with constrained budgets or constrained time, in order to finish the trail or get as far as they can, and suddenly they're stuck in Grants, New Mexico, because they can't hike forward. Or they need to figure out how to hike forward. So shout out to all the hikers trying to figure out what they're going to do. I will give you folks a nice view here of where we are, so you can see there's actually a road up ahead. That's the asphalt road. There's not a lot of stuff around here. There's mountains in the distance. But as you can see, it's pretty much grassland and flat land. So hopefully that came across on the camera. If not, then oops, my bad. And again, thank you very much for watching the videos. I hope everyone's doing well. And I will talk to you folks hopefully tomorrow in a video that is from the town of Grants, after I've taken a shower and eaten some town food and got myself a bit cleaner, and I'm not at a frantic hiking pace like I am right now. So if you didn't like the live video, you can shoot me a text and be like, I threw it twice, please don't do that again. If you liked it, I'm on the move, then let me know via text. And then I'm going to again try to do some of these live videos, maybe not on the move, but like throughout the day, to get some stuff settled down. And figure out if I get to hike the rest of the New Mexico run. Some surprises await in the next few days. I think that's it for now. Everyone have a